Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how to combine two sentences using different methods to improve writing fluency, and it also comes in your exams. So the first one is using coordinating conjunctions. So this is the trick, fanboys. You can learn all these conjunctions through this word, fanboys. So for, A for and, then nor, but, or, yet, and so. So these all are coordinating conjunctions. So what are coordinating conjunctions? Which connects the two independent sentences. What are independent sentences? Means which has their complete meaning in itself, which are not dependent on the other sentence. Now, those conjunctions connect two independent clauses. Example, she enjoys reading. So this one is a complete clause or sentence. Another one, she likes writing too. Here we are using and to connect both these sentences because both have the same things. Here she enjoys and here she likes. So she enjoys reading and she likes writing too. So the conjunction and is used to show addition. The comma before and separates the two independent clauses. Here is the comma you can see. Second method is using subordinating conjunction. So here it is very clear with the word subordinate means one clause is dependent on the other one. Both are not independent. So one clause is dependent on the other clause. These are the words because, although, since, when, if, while, etc. So these conjunctions make one clause dependent on the other. Let's make it more clear with the example. It was raining. We stayed inside. Now here, how we can make it one sentence? Since it was raining, we stayed inside. So cause and effect. Since it was raining, we stayed inside. Here you can see the comma also. So now it has become a one sentence. Using relative clauses. Who, which, that, whose, where. These are the words which are relative clauses. So relative pronoun help add information to a noun in the sentence. Let's see. Example, I met a girl. She is a great singer. I met a girl who is a great singer. So relative pronoun who connects the two sentences by describing a girl. Another one we can see using participles means ing and ed form of a verb. So a participle phrase can make a sentence more concise, means more clear. The teacher explained the topic, the students takes notes. Now explaining the topic. So here we have changed explain into ing form. Explaining the topic, comma, the teacher helped the students take notes. So explaining the topic is a participle phrase that replaces a full clause. Using infinitive, to plus verb, and always remember that after to, first form of verb comes. So an infinitive phrase can show purpose or intent. Let's see example. He practiced every day. He wanted to win the competition. So purpose. He practiced every day to win the competition. So here the phrase to win the competition explains the reason for practicing. Using appositives means extra information about a noun. A positive can combine two related ideas. Like Einstein was a scientist. He developed the theory of relativity. Now using appositives, that is the extra information about a noun. So an appositive can combine two related ideas like Einstein was a scientist. He developed the theory of relativity. So Einstein, then use a comma, a scientist, then comma, develop the theory of relativity. So the phrase a scientist renames and provides additional information about Einstein. Using prepositional phrase. So a prepositional phrase can combine information smoothly. Example, the book is on the table. It belongs to me. So here the book on the table. The book on the table belongs to me. The phrase on the table describes the book without needing another full sentence. Now this is the practice exercise which is very, very important for you to understand the whole topic. Practice these questions. Here I have given the solution with explanations also. So let's see how many questions you did correct and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.